Usually I drink some kind of protein cereal, but this will do for today. On the regular day like today, I wake up, eat breakfast, sit in the computer, go check the YouTube and see what's going on, brush my teeth, dress, and head right to school. And of course, bros, I'm running late. Oh, and I almost forgot, how you guys are cold, so right? So we're finally on our way. We should be there on time. As you guys scared, today I have an English class, and after English I have a microeconomics class, which micro, I absolutely hate that class. I know the video just basically started, but I really hope you guys are enjoying this day in the life. It's my very first one, so if you guys do enjoy it, make sure to let me know so I can do more in the future. I'm about to show you guys my favorite part of coming to school. That never gets old. But yeah, how are you bros doing? This is pretty cool because usually just me in the car. Now since I'm recording, I feel like I'm talking to you guys. Also, a lot of you guys asked me where you can follow me on social media. My Instagram is z34_Lee. I'll probably have it like somewhere down here. You can go ahead and follow me there. I haven't posted a picture in like a year, but I do post history, and I think I'm pretty soon I'm gonna start posting. I'm not really a social media type of guy. I kind of just go on Instagram to look at cars, but don't really post anything. So yeah, let me know how many of you guys are still going to school so I don't feel like I'm the only one. Okay bros, and just like that we're at school, so I'll probably see you guys in like an hour or two, which is gonna be like a split second. And just like that, we're out of school. School today was good. We didn't have any tests or anything. We were just mainly taking notes and little things like that. So let me know if you guys relate, but when you're boarding class, I kind of just look for car parts online. And I've been thinking about it for a while, and I think I'm gonna pull a trigger on some springs for the car. If I do end up lowering it, you guys already know, me and Alex are probably gonna be the ones installing it. We are home. You know, I told you bros I was gonna go to the place where I usually make my videos to talk to you about lowering the car. I'm actually just gonna talk to you guys about that when I'm on my way to the gym, which should be right after I eat.
Drive on the street without any taillights. Yes! One less thing about
it. There you guys are. Looking for you guys for like 10 minutes. Now we're heading to the gym. Today I believe I'm hitting chest and tricep. Let me know if any of you guys go to the gym. It's always a good habit to have, and it's a really big part of my life. Also, like I said, I wanted to talk to you guys about lowering the car. So now that I'm recording this video, I have yet to order the springs. I'm thinking of going to H&R springs. The reason I'm going to springs instead of coil lowers are like 800, 900 plus. I think there's like a brand called Stain coil lowers, which are like $400, but I don't really want to spend that much on coil lowers. So I'm just gonna go springs for now, not worry about it for a long time, and then when the time comes, switch to coilovers. But that's not gonna be for a while. I'm not 100% sure. That's just something I thought about in school, and I was really going for it. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna buy them yet. I'm leaning more towards the yes side. I'm gonna buy them. If you guys do really want me to do it though, make sure you comment it below if you want me to get the springs or not, and leave a thumbs up. Another reason I want to do it because last time I modded this car was with the exhaust. I think that was around September, so it's been quite a while since I modded the car. That's something I have on the list for this year's mod, so I just want to cross that out. To recap what I want to buy: H&R springs, 25 and 20 millimeter spacers, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Just like that, we're here at the gym. It is currently 3:33, so I'll probably get out of there like a 5 or 5:15. I'll catch you guys right after. Finally, we're done with the gym. JDM or muscle car? Well, that wasn't really a question, guys. Everybody knows JDM is better. I'm just kidding. I actually really like muscle and Camaros. And so you guys know how good of a workout that was. It is 6:04. So I was spending there quite a bit. Every time I have to set up this camera there, it's like the most annoying thing you can think of. So I made the mistake of parking forward, so you guys are about to experience the struggle of backing out. Alright, I think we're good. Yep, we're good. This video is kind of weird to make because there's no topic. It's just a day in the life and me just recording anything. But let me know if you guys like it. I don't know if you guys can notice, but it's getting kind of dark. And the one thing I don't like doing in this car is driving it in the dark. I really don't like driving it at night. Let me know if you guys relate. Okay, finally we're home. I already said it, but I'm gonna say it again. That was a really good workout. Before I do go inside though, I just want to show you guys something. Look how clean she looks from here. She looks really nice, right? Headlights look really clean. Car looks clean. I probably watched her yesterday, right? But then you come close to it, and look how dirty she is. I did not realize how dirty the front bumper was. That's why, bros, this color is my favorite color in any car. Seriously though, let's stop talking about how much I love the color because I am hungry.
I feel like I have to explain it to you.
So that was some really good food. I'm probably gonna play a match of, as you can see there, League of Legends. Let me know if any of you guys play that game. Then I have to study and do homework for the rest of the night. Well, that's my really exciting day in the life. But if you are worried, don't worry. The video's not ending right now. I think I'm seeing you guys tomorrow morning, right? Yeah, let's go to that clip. Oh. And just like that, bros, it's the next day. So since I was on my way to school, I decided to stop at the famous spot that I always go to, so I can end this day in the life video. There we go. Already know, bros, gotta represent the Z fam. It's actually starting to rain really bad and I don't want to get this camera wet, so I really hope you guys enjoy this day in the life. Let me know if you guys want to see another one, maybe when we hit 5,000 or 3,000 or I don't know. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see me do that mod, which is the H&R springs and the spacers. It's starting to rain a lot, so I'll see you guys next time. Leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.